Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming Reno 5 Pro plus 5G to come with the Snapdragon 865 50 megapixel Sony sensor and has the electrochromic back. So, the Oppo will introduce the Reno 5 5G and Reno 5 Pro 5G on December 10, and we already know what they look like as the Chinese phone maker posted their images on its official website a couple of days ago, while also confirm a few specifications. Alongside the non-Pro Reno 5 and the Pro model, Oppo is rumored to unveil the Pro Plus 5G. There is no word about it yet from Oppo, but an image posted on a Weibo revealed its design, and we also get some information about its hardware. The rear panel of the Reno 5 Pro Plus 5G looks similar to the Reno 5 5G and Reno 5 Pro 5G and has a quad camera setup on the backside, as you can see in this picture. But the unit that placed on the right side of the first camera has a rectangular shape. That might be the rumored 12 megapixel telephoto module with a 2x optical zoom. The primary camera is said to use 50 megapixel Sony IMX7xx sensor series, making the Reno 5 Pro Plus 5G the world's first smartphone to have it on board. The third one will be 16 megapixel ultra wide angle unit, but the purpose of the fourth camera is currently unknown. The source further claimed that the Reno 5 Pro Plus 5G will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 latest SoC, and there will be a version with a plain leather back, which will be the first mass production smartphone with the electrochromic back cover. However, this is not the first time we will see a smartphone company make use of the electrochromic technology. OnePlus did that with the Concept One smartphone back in January, which was not commercially available, but seeing how Oppo has mass product a phone having this technology, chances are we will see OnePlus and maybe Realme smartphone follow suit soon. So this is the latest information about the upcoming Oppo Reno 5 Pro and the Reno 5 Pro series. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this smartphone? Also, the Reno 5 Pro 5G has a specification is 6.55 inch 1080p and 2340 pixel screen, 64 megapixel back camera which can record 4K video at 30 fps and 1080p at 120 fps. Front facing is 32 megapixel which can record 30 fps video on 1080p resolution. The battery rumor says it has a 4300 mAh non-removable battery with a fast charging 65 watt and super VOOC 2.0 charger. So this is the latest information about the upcoming Reno 5 series. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this smartphone? And also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.